When using the Heroes engine, which was an idea by Hero of Alexandria in 150 BC, just before you use it, inspect the glass for any cracks, scratches. Make sure it spins easily in its holder, that the wire is just on the top to keep it down there. You need 2 safety screens, one in front and one behind, and make sure you fill it up with distilled water. Just squirt it through the jets until it is 1/3 full. Okay. Do need to give it a little bit of a movement after the water's boiling, just to check. It spins freely. As it rotates, the water does hit the cool glass, so it does stop after a while. But you can get the idea of the jet propulsion.